do that. Instead, the Bible says, when Jesus heard it, he said, "This illness is not unto death, it is for the glory of God, so that the Son of God may be glorified by means of it." And then comes the love again. Now Jesus loved Martha and her sister and Lazarus. And so when Jesus heard that Lazarus was ill, something unexpected Christ did. He stayed 2 days longer in the place where he was. Now Jesus loved Martha and her sister and Lazarus. So when he heard that Lazarus was ill, he stayed 2 days longer in the place where he was. He did not right away